Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. This is the Dizo Watch S. This is it. This is the Dizo Watch S. Dizo's latest offering in the smart wearable category. Now, Dizo is a brand under the Realme Tech Life ecosystem. They have been making some awesome accessories like earbuds and smartwatches for quite some time, and I have enjoyed their products. I've previously reviewed a couple of Dizo products and they did not disappoint me. Now, today in this video, we are going to talk about their latest offering, that is the Dizo Watch S. This is their first rectangular watch ever, and I have to say, it offers some really good features, especially for the price at which it comes at. So yeah, let's go ahead and talk about the Dizo Watch S in detail. Let us start this conversation by talking about the design and build quality. Design of Dizo Watch S is elegant. It is a slim, lightweight and elegant looking smartwatch. It comes with a rectangular curved display which looks awesome in my opinion. The frame is made out of metal which gives it that premium look. It is not cheap by any means. It gives you that premium vibe. Metal frame with a curved glass display is an awesome combination over here. As far as the color options go, you can choose between silver, blue, golden pink and classic black. I like the classic black color because it looks absolutely stunning, and as always, black is classy. So hence I would prefer the black color, but you guys let me know which color would you prefer in the comment section down below. Also, you can detach the straps and change them. So no matter what outfit you're wearing, you can change the straps and get the desired look that you want. Dizo Watch S looks and feels amazing. No matter which outfit you're wearing, you can pair this watch with that and it will add an elegant touch to your style. The Dizo team has done a very good job in terms of the design and build quality of this smartwatch. Now, talking about things that are elegant, it comes with a 1.57 inches display up front. The resolution is 200 by 320 and has a peak brightness of 550 nits. Display quality of this smartwatch is top notch. The viewing angles are great, the colors are really good, and it is a full touchscreen display as well. Also, it comes with a curved glass which gives it a very good look and it feels premium as well. Now, if we talk about outdoor visibility, that is not an issue because of the 550 nits peak brightness. You can easily view all the things even in bright sunny conditions, and that is an excellent point over here. Now, the main thing on the display are the watch faces. You get a variety of watch faces with this smartwatch. Inbuilt, you will get 4 to 5 watch faces, but inside the Dizo app, you have over 150 watch faces. You can choose whichever you want based on the style that you're going for. If you want a simple watch face, digital watch face, analog watch face, mechanical one, or if you want a custom photo as a watch face, then you can do that as well. Basically, in terms of watch faces, you are sorted. Now, if we talk about the performance of the UI, it is very smooth. I did not notice any lags whatsoever. In some budget smartwatches out there, you do notice a lag, but with this smartwatch, I did not notice any lag. The UI is smooth. Now, one of the main use cases of a smartwatch is with fitness features. The Dizo Watch S is jam-packed when it comes to fitness features. You get over 110 sports mode like walking, running, cycling, yoga, elliptical, and basically you can track your workout using this smartwatch. After you track your workouts, you can look at the data and improve your workouts as well. Now, if you talk about the sensors, it does come with all the necessary sensors like a pedometer, heart rate sensor, and an SpO2 sensor as well. SpO2 sensor is a very important one over here because it will help you keep a tab on your blood oxygen level, so you can easily do that right on your wrist. If you talk about the heart rate sensor, it is a 24/7 real-time continuous heart rate sensor which will help you a lot. It will also be helpful while you're working out. So yeah, basically you get all the necessary sensors in this smartwatch. Now, a smartwatch cannot be called a smartwatch without smart features. The Dizo Watch S comes with a bunch of smart features. First up, you will get all the notifications right on your wrist. You can go into the Dizo app and individually select which app should send you notification. For example, if you don't want Instagram to send you notifications, you can just turn it off, and so on and so forth. Basically, you can select individual apps and they will send you the notifications. Same thing goes for calls. You will get call notifications right on your wrist. Now, you cannot answer the calls, but you will get a notification. Apart from that, you get smart alerts. For example, you can set a drink water alert. You can also set a sedentary alert and it will alert you automatically. You also get the option of camera control. So you can use this watch as a remote shutter button for your smartphone's camera. Now, if you're listening to music, you also get music control on this smartwatch. You can play or pause the track, skip track, go to the previous track right from your wrist, which is a very convenient feature. Now this gets me to battery and charging. Dizo claims that you will get a battery life of up to 10 days with this smartwatch, and in my testing period I got somewhere around 7 to 8 days. So that is impressive battery life on this smartwatch. As far as the charging goes, you get a magnetic charging cable inside the box itself, and you can easily charge the smartwatch using that magnetic cable. Now this smartwatch also comes with a companion application. That app is called as the Dizo App, and in this application you can do a bunch of things. First up, it will store all the data, your steps data, your heart rate data, SpO2 data, and your workouts data as well. Apart from that, you can change a bunch of settings of your watch from this app itself. You can turn on or off notifications, you can change watch faces, and you can change a bunch of other settings too. Also, if your watch gets a firmware update, you can do that from this application itself. So the companion app is very good, and I've had no issues with it whatsoever. The Dizo Watch S is also IP68 certified. That means you do not have to worry about dust and water. It is certified and you can easily use it while it's raining or something like that. Now, if we compare the Dizo Watch S to other smartwatches out there in the similar price range, then I definitely think that this one is a winner. It offers a lot of amazing features and it comes with a great design as well. Like, I have been wearing this smartwatch on a daily basis and a lot of people have asked me about it. So yeah, it does look good as well and offers you with some great smart features. Now you might be wondering, what about the pricing and availability? Dizo Watch S will be available from 26th of April, and you can get this smartwatch only for 2000 rupees as an introductory pricing. After that, the pricing will be 2300. So if you want to buy this smartwatch, the best time is in the first sale itself. So definitely go ahead and check it out. I will drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. This was my very quick review of the Dizo Watch S. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.